Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So in this video we will see again with the form elements. Okay, in the previous video we have covered the what is the input, label, and also select, and there is a text area. So these elements I have covered in the previous videos. If you haven't gone through those videos, you can go through the HTML tutorial playlist. Okay, in this video we are going to cover the button element. Okay, so what is this button element means? It is a clickable element. Okay, so we can go with the practical manner to understand it. Okay, I have already one of the uh, HTML page or HTML file I have. In this file itself, I am going to cover all these elements. Okay, so now I have already covered the text area and select element, also label and the input. Okay, so you can go through those videos. Now I'm just going with the button. Okay, so to create the button, I just required the what a form. If you want to create the form, you can create it. Okay, otherwise you can directly go with the form button option also. There is no worries to you have to click on the like you have to make the form elements to make it as form. Okay, you can use the button option anywhere you want it. Okay, so I'm just using the button option here. Okay, so click here. Sorry. So I'm just giving the name as that click here. So once I have done like you can just go with that, go live, and you can see that the button is created. So you have seen the already like this is a submit, but it is a attribute. Okay, you can see that there is a attribute, but here it is directly a button. So you can use some kind of JavaScript to add the clickable option. Okay, as of now, it is not a click means it is not redirecting to anywhere, right? So what I can do is like I can just add some kind of option that is on click. Sorry, on click. This is the one of the function, one of the attribute on click, and I'm adding the function called alert. Okay, so I'm just giving a hello world. Okay, let's see whether it will work or not. Okay, I'm getting the alert. So once I submit, so I can make an alert of this one, but it has to be added with some kind of a JavaScript and everything. So as of now, we are just going to cover with HTML element. When it is coming to the like JavaScript, we will go with this option also. At the time, we will understand in the next what how can we add this JavaScript and everything. So in the coming videos, we will also add the JavaScript tutorial also. As of now, we are going to cover with HTML and CSS. Okay. So yeah. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. Also hit on the like button. Thank you for watching it, guys.